How to change the call display while using a app. So let's say you have an incoming call and how that incoming call is going to appear on your Samsung S23 Ultra display. Okay, you got these three options here. I'll show you where you can go to change this. Okay, so first things first, make sure you are using the default Samsung phone app to get access to these settings here. And when you go into it, you'll see the three dots at the top right there. Tap on that one time and you'll see settings. Once you're in the settings section here, you want to go to call display, all right? And now that you're here, you got the three options. So the full screen, basically, when you have that incoming call, that incoming call is going to show up just like this, taking up the entire display. So wherever you are, whether you're watching a video or doing something on your phone, it's going to take up the entire screen. You'll have the answer and end call option here, and the phone number appear to the top here. But if you want something a little bit more smaller, I guess, shouldn't say small and more, right? Small and more. Anyways, all right, so you got small pop-up here. That's going to appear like that to that length. It's going to be about like a quarter size of your display appearing here. Okay, and you can answer and end it here. And you also got keep calls in the pop-up view mode. Okay, so if you answered the call here, that is going to still show up here, letting you know that you're still in the call, and you can also tap on the end if you need to. Okay, and you also got a mini version to the small one, which is this right here, that little icon here, like a floating little icon right here. It's not really floating, but it's just going to be right there to the top corner here, top center, my bad, top center, sorry, just terrible at English here today. And then we got the same option as well to keep it on if you want to. Okay, and you can come back and change these settings any given time. Like and sub. Thanks for watching.